everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita, and if you're here for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. You might have already guessed that by the title of the video that today's video is all based on the basic or the beginner's eye makeup look. It's kind of a very much requested video where I have tried to create the simplest or the easiest version of the basic or the beginner's eye makeup. I am not a pro makeup artist, but whatever little knowledge I have tried to kind of give it away to all of you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. For any eye makeup look, you would need 3 basic brushes, which includes a thick fluffy brush which helps in blending, a smaller fluffy brush for outer corner of the eye and enhanced color deposition, and a flat brush to kind of apply the shade from the inner corner over the lid. Also, the easiest way to create any eye look is to have an eyeshadow shade which is 1 shade lighter than your skin tone, 1 shade darker than your skin tone, and kind of a mid-tone. Moving on to the parts of the eye, probably the main part that you need to be aware of is the crease, which is basically where lid creases into the eye shape. Another part that you need to know is the outer corner, the inner corner, and the brow bone. I have already prepped my lid with little bit of concealer and primer, but you can use a foundation or a concealer, whatever works for you. Also, I would recommend to set the lid with powder as it will give you an easier blend. So we are going to start with the mid-tone. So apply from outer corner, working over the crease in kind of a wiper motion. Make sure you're leaving gap underneath the brow bone. If you want to know where to exactly start, you can use your brow, edge of your eye, and edge of your nose to kind of blend it really well and use it as a guide. Moving to contouring, which is usually the darker tone as compared to your skin tone, you can use the same brush, but I will be using a smaller fluffy brush here to kind of enhance the deposition of the color. Keeping it on the outer lid and deepening into the crease, you can deposit the color and keep blending it side by side. Keep it really nice and low and deepen in the crease. Then we are going to take a flat brush, anything with a smooth flat line. I am going to use this to apply our highlighter shade, which is 1 shade lighter than the skin tone. You're gonna be applying this on the inner corner of your eyelid, focusing really close to that inner edge and blending it across the eyelid. You can also use your fingertips for this highlighter or the shimmer shade to cover the inner part of the eyelid. I'm going to apply the same shade over the inner corner and using the same highlighter over my brow bone. Lastly, I will finish my whole look with the eyeliner and a good coat of mascara. Well, that's it for the video today, guys. I hope you all loved the tips and the tricks that I shared in the video. These are some of the tricks that I have learned in the past and I'm still learning. So I hope you all make maximum use of this video and kind of just blend, baby, blend. Just because blending is the game changer when you do an eye makeup. And if you want to learn some kind of pro eye makeup looks and stuff like that, you really need to excel first in blending, which actually takes a lot of practice, to be honest with you guys, and I'm still learning that. So yes, I hope you all loved it, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. As I always say, I really need your support, man, so do support my channel, and until then, take care. Bye.